So now that we've calculated X as 0.6 liter, we can see that the initial, therefore, we can see that the initial volume of CO will be equal to the total volume, which is 1.0 liter minus the 0.6 liter, which is equal to how much? 0.4 liter. Therefore, percentage composition will be given by how much? 0.4 of CO is to 0.6 of CO2. That means how much? 40% is CO and 60% is CO2. So therefore, if you compare this with the choices given to you in A and B, neither of the two will be true. That means by the percentage volume composition of the mixture, the two choices are coming out to be incorrect. So let's look at the second experiment now. Okay. In the experiment 2, in the second experiment, he says that the molecular formula, okay, he says that the molecular formula, the compound, about the compound contains 28% of nitrogen and 72% of M by weight, right? This is what is given to us. And 3 atoms of M combined with 2 atoms of nitrogen. Okay. So from this information, can I not say that the molecular formula of the compound is going to be M3N2, because 3 atoms of M combined with 2 atoms of N. So this is definitely set that the compound is going to be M3N2. Also, okay, suppose that the total weight of the compound is 100 gram per mole. Okay, let us suppose that the total weight of the compound is 100 gram per mole. Out of this, 28 gram per mole would be taken up by nitrogen. Okay, would be taken by nitrogen, right? Because it says that 72% is M and 28% is N. So definitely out of 100, 28 would be taken by nitrogen. So what does this say? Therefore, 72 gram per mole is the weight of the metal, right? Therefore I can say that 3 atoms of M, okay, would combine, since we are saying that 3 atoms of M are combining with 2 atoms of N, right? Can I not say that 72 divided by 3, which is equal to 24 gram per mole, is going to be the weight held by the atom, is the weight held by the metal atom. Okay, so therefore the metal has a weight of 24 gram per mole. Therefore, the correct options you can see are going to be option C, which is the molecular formula for the compound, which we calculated as M3N2, and the atomic weight of the metal being 24 grams per mole.